Hi, my name's Leah. I'm the Teen Services Librarian at the Ronald H. Temecula Public Library. And today I'm going to show you how to make heart-shaped Snickerdoodles. Adult supervision is advised when using the oven. Today we're making a gluten-free, dairy-free Snickerdoodle recipe. You can find a link to the recipe in the description below. You can also find a link to a recipe that includes gluten and dairy if you prefer. Please be advised that this recipe does call for coconut oil. If you have a coconut allergy, you can substitute with a different oil or butter. Both this recipe and the alternate recipe call for egg. The ingredients you will need today are coconut oil or butter, white sugar, brown sugar, an egg, vanilla, gluten-free all-purpose flour, cream of tartar, cinnamon, baking soda, and salt. The materials you will need are a large and a small bowl, various measuring implements, a metal spatula, a plastic spatula, a whisk, wax or parchment paper, and cookie sheets. You're going to start off with your softened coconut oil or butter. It's a half a cup of this. Then you need a half a cup of white sugar and a quarter cup of brown sugar. And then you are going to whisk it all together until it's nice and creamed. Once your sugar and coconut oil is creamed, you'll add a teaspoon of vanilla and your egg. And then you'll whisk this all together as well. Next, add a cup and a half of your all-purpose gluten-free flour and a teaspoon of cream of tartar. Next, you need a teaspoon of cinnamon. Next, you need a half teaspoon of baking soda. And last, a quarter teaspoon of salt. Then you're going to mix all of this together. Next, you'll either cover your cookie sheet with parchment paper, or what I'm going to do is spray it with cooking spray. You can also use shortening. With adult supervision, preheat your oven to 350. Next, you're going to mix a quarter cup of sugar and a tablespoon of cinnamon in a small bowl. Mix them together. Next, you're going to grab some dough and roll it into a ball. Then you'll flatten it and shape it into a heart. And then you place it into the cinnamon and sugar, get some on both sides, and fill your cookie sheet. Once you have your sheet of cookies, put them in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. And there you have your completed cookies. I hope you enjoy, and happy Valentine's Day.